welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a super fun challenge video. I have a special guest. This is my sister Kaylee, and I am doing the transforming your sister into you, transforming my sister into me makeup challenge.
What's up, guys?
I did the exact same makeup look that I did on myself today, except for, no, pretty much, yeah, exactly the same. I used all the same products. So basically I'm just going to show you guys how I did this look on her, and then as I'm doing this, my mom is back behind the camera. She's going to be asking us some of these sister tag questions. I thought that that would be fun to kind of pair with it and, I don't know, just give you a little bit more insight as to our relationship and our sister bond. If you want to see how we did this look and learn more about Kaylee, then just keep watching. First, we're going to go in with some primer. This is the Becca Backlight Priming Filter. You're so cute. Mom, ask us one of the sister tag questions.
Okay, who is the oldest?
I just said she's so cute because she is my baby sister, but she's not that baby.
Right now I'm 20. I've got, what, 18 more days until I turn 21?
So we're 6 years apart.
Yep.
I'm 26. You're a little bit, you're like really dry. Do you have dry skin? No, I'm just gonna shut your eyes. I'm gonna spray some Mario Badescu facial spray with aloe, cucumber, and green tea. We're gonna get bougie. I'm gonna use the same foundation I'm actually wearing today. This is the Dior Skin Forever Foundation. This is a $50 bottle of foundation.
All right, let's go.
So I'm just gonna put it on this Bare Minerals brush. Okay, Mom, why don't you ask us another question?
What do you and your sister have in common?
We have brown hair.
Yep. We both played, well, I played and Kaylee still plays softball.
Yep, we're both pitchers.
We're both pitchers. We're gonna do some concealer, the Tarte Shape Tape, duh. Because Kaylee at 20 years old has such huge bags under her eyes. Just kidding. No, really the reason I'm doing this is just to brighten. Like, you don't really have dark circles, but it'll just add light, and like it, if you carry it right here, it really makes your cheekbones pop and helps with the highlight. And then I'm gonna go down the center of your face just to add light to those areas.
It feels like I'm getting my war paint on.
Your war paint!
For a softball game.
Do you guys wear war paint?
Some of the girls do.
Oh, I never did because it messed up my makeup. Because I wore makeup to softball games. Your eyelashes are unreal. Next, I'm going to set the under eyes with the Kat Von D Shade and Light palette. These two shades are my favorite. This is exactly what I did today. Normally I use the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder, but I'm running out. Look up further. Yeah, I'm running out and I really wanted bright under eyes. So, all right, Mom, question it up.
All right, one thing you can do that your sister can't.
What can you do that I can't?
Spin a basketball on my finger.
Ooh, good one. What can I do that you can't? Apply false eyelashes.
Yep.
But you don't even need to. I'm just gonna get in on those brows before we do anything else.
This is her dream, is to do something with my brows.
Yeah, I just want to add a little shape to them.
You guys can't think of anything else that one can do that the other can't?
More things?
There's got to be more.
I can do this with my tongue, can you?
Yeah.
I don't know, Mom, do you know?
Well, Kaylee can hit.
Oh, no! Burn! Kaylee is a really good hitter in softball, and I was never good at that part.
Her pitching made up for it.
Look up a little.
That looks really good.
Because I put more hairs in here where you always pull up. You're terrified of a unibrow, huh?
Yeah.
You get them so far apart. Gorge. Boy brow. To lock them in place.
All right.
Would you ever do all these steps?
No.
Okay, we're gonna contour. Woo! That was a lot. This stuff is so pigmented. Your face is already nice and thin, like you probably don't even need contour, but I did it, so now you have to. Look at that sharp line.
Ooh.
Do you ever use bronzer?
Yes.
Just sometimes.
I know, I do every day. I just didn't know what it was called.
Oh. What'd you think it was called?
Highlighter?
Highlighter.
I don't know.
Highlighter's like the opposite of bronzer. Highlighter's the light stuff on your cheeks that you put right
Okay,
here.
all I know is that I have this square palette and I put it here, and here, and here, and it makes me look tanner in the winter.
Yeah, that's bronzer.
Alright.
Now on to blush. We're going to use the Milani Baked Blush in Luminoso. How soft does this feel? This
Very
brush
soft, like a
is
feather.
so soft. We're going to move on to the eyes. And I'm going to do basically the same look I did. I used the Lorac Pro Palette. I used this because I noticed that it was on sale. And so if you guys like it, it's on sale right now. So I figured I'd show you.
I want you to use this color,
No.
that one, that one, that one, and that one.
No, first I'm going to go into Butterscotch. It's this transition shade. Mom, hit us up with a question.
Okay, this is easy. Who keeps a cleaner room?
Who?
Not my firstborn.
Not me! Kaylee is so organized and clean.
My friends make fun of me because the first thing I do in the morning at school is make my bed, even though it's a dorm room.
She makes her bed in college. Are you kidding me right now?
And the one thing is that when if I leave my room really early before my roommate wakes up, then my bed is made and I'm gone. And they'll take a picture of my side of the room and say, she disappeared.
Oh. The rapture?
Yep.
Mom, you didn't that wasn't one of your sticking points though of you have to clean your room.
No, I used to just close your door. No.
I just never thought of that as a chore. It was just, you keep it clean.
I did make you pick up your toys.
Or you made me pick up her toys.
Oh my gosh, stop.
Oh, we're never going to hear the end of this story.
That never
She would
happened.
make a huge mess we had another spare bedroom that was like our playroom. And she would make a huge mess. She'd beg me to play with her. We're 6 years apart, so think about it. She's 3 and I'm 9. I don't want to do the same things a 3-year-old wants to do, but she would beg me to play with her and we would play. And then somehow, my mom would be like, you need to clean up now. And of course a 3-year-old can't clean up as well as a 9-year-old, so I have to clean everything up.
Wow. What a sad life.
What she used to do when we thought she was napping.
So I don't know if any of you guys are around my age, but the big thing was American Girl dolls, but then they had this separate products line, yeah, that they did that was these boxes, I don't know, the boxes were this big with tiny, tiny furniture that you could do interior design with. They were even magnetic, different wallpapers you could put in. It was like a dollhouse, but modern times. And I would just be in my room and that night I'd rearrange it or do whatever I wanted. So she would go, when she was supposed to be napping, she would go into my room and rearrange it all. It made me think I was crazy. Devious child. Not really, she's an angel. We're gonna go in with a light color foam on the lid. Next, I just need to add a little bit of liner along the top lash line because I am gonna do falsies because this is turning her into me. I think she really doesn't need them, but for the sake of this challenge, and I really want to do it, so we're gonna do it. I'm just gonna add a line of liner. This is the Maybelline Stiletto. I'm just gonna line right along her lash line. I wish your 21st birthday was today.
I know.
That would be cool.
We could go party.
We are gonna party with Prodigy.
Oh yeah. One of the questions for the sister tag was what nicknames do you have for each other? But I don't know that we really did, but she has a nickname for Nick. And it makes no sense. They're so weird together.
Hey, it makes sense.
So they call each other prodigies, like the word prodigy, but they call it prodigy.
Yep.
Where does that even come from?
It's because when Faith was at college, Nick would still come over to our house and hang out and stuff. And I was coming home from school and I had my, I think, vocab list. I read the word prodigy, but I said prodigy because I didn't know how it was pronounced yet. And ever since it stuck because we just call each other prodigies because we're super good at ping pong. And so we're prodigies. We're prodigies at ping pong and other stuff that we do together, like some video games.
Oh my gosh.
Was Nick there when you mispronounced
Yeah.
that word? Okay. Look at her lashes. You don't even need false ones.
Can you see them from there? Wait, let's zoom in.
She's so cute.
She looks like an American Girl doll, does she not?
Well, I guess I know who's doing your wedding makeup.
Yeah, I already had that planned.
Oh my
You're right.
gosh, you look gorgeous.
I did my own wedding makeup. I did not trust anybody, and I wasn't even as into makeup as I am now, but I still, like, I've always loved makeup. But yeah, I was not about to have anyone else touch my face. She looks so gorgeous. Wait till we add these suckers.
Oh boy.
They're actually, I'm using really natural ones. Let me see the length. Actually, the length is okay. These are Dell Demi Wispies. You normally don't even have to cut them. The length is normally fine. And I'm just gonna put a tiny bit of glue because I'm sure she's probably gonna take them off. But if you do like them, then feel free to keep them on.
It's a big if.
It's a big if. Rude. Bam. So there's one more question.
Yes. Who takes longer to get ready in the morning?
Oh, that'd be me.
I don't know.
Oh, she is kind of slow.
I don't do as much makeup, but I'm very pokey, and I am always a minute or two late to my first class in the morning.
Kaylee!
We're on a tiny campus, so it takes me about 5 minutes to walk to the building I need to get to. And I always look at the clock and think I have like 5 more minutes to do something in my room. And then all of a sudden that time disappears. I don't know how. And then I always just make it. So you'd probably spend more time doing makeup than me, but...
So this is maybe more tricky than we thought. And now last step is lips and highlights. So let's do lips first and then end with a bang, okay? Because do you ever use highlight?
I'm gonna go with the no.
She's gonna, this is gonna change, this is gonna rock your world,
Okay.
But first we're gonna do lips. Do you care that this is my lip
Nope.
stuff? I didn't think so. Okay, this is a liquid lipstick. Actually, I'm gonna let that dry. So what you wanna do next is you wanna set your face. So then, the highlight I use today that we're gonna use on you is the Lorac Starlight Highlighter. See,
Cool.
It's like that.
Mhm.
And what you do is you put this on the high points of your face. And it just gives you like, do you see mine?
Mhm.
It just gives you a glow. A little bit of a glow. Turn. Show it for the camera.
Yep.
I like a little on the nose. Then, the only other thing I did was add a gloss on top. I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Butterscotch Lip Gloss. Here. That is the finished result.
Yep.
But we need the big reveal. We need a mirror. You don't even know what you look like.
No.
Okay. All right, the big reveal.
Woo!
What do you think?
It's amazing.
It's amazing.
Thanks, Faith.
You like it?
Mhm.
Okay, good. So this is the finished look that I did on my sister in the Transforming My Sister Into Me challenge.
Some people say we look really similar. Some people say they wouldn't even think we were sisters.
So I don't know, let us know down in the comments if I did a good job. And I think that's it.
Yep, that's a wrap.
That's a wrap. Do you know my outro?
Yes.
I love you guys and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
I'm using all my good stuff on you. Yeah. And everything was rearranged and like new wallpaper. And I literally I just thought that I was crazy. What are we doing? We're finishing up the video. I have to figure out what I'm gonna see. I need to know. I don't know. We're just gonna. You just gotta go with the flow. I don't know. It's just gonna come out.